Hi, I am Aria from HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how the log custom event action works in HeroBot. This powerful feature helps you to track the number of times a particular event happened within your flow. For example, let us create a simple flow and log a custom event each time a button is clicked. There you have it. You have just learned how to log custom event action works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.